It's a good day to change life. For all the Ilocanos na imbag nga aldaw, and for all the Bisaya, maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan. And thank you. It's truly a humbling experience and amazing experience that for me to be able to share my love story with iTerracare. I know that a lot of us have our own experience, but allow me to share my love story. Yes. So, as it was mentioned earlier, I am a registered nurse and a US certified medical coder. That was my life before Prive, before I came to know Prive. So, I met Prive because through my best friend, through my dearest friend, a spiritual partner, a business partner, who is also a registered nurse, Miss Joyce Mandigma. So I came to know Prive, the iTerracare, the product itself, because of my medical condition. As I have mentioned earlier, the profession that I have been, it made me sick. Because of the night work or the night duty, I was not able to have a good sleep. And the lifestyle that I had, it made me sick. I know that a lot of you can relate to me that once in our life, we have been abusive to ourselves, abusive to the blessing that the Lord has given us. We were not a good steward of it. And I am grateful and thankful that I have met iTerracare device. The medical condition that I have, I was a three times stroke. Yes. First was April 2017, the second was May 2020, and the third one, the last one, thank you Lord, it stopped there. It is July 22, 2022. So after this, it gave birth. It opened doors to a lot of diseases. It multiplied. I was diagnosed to have dementia, early stage, because part of my brain, that my neurologist informed me that part of my brain is dead already. So, if a medical doctor will inform you that part of your brain is dead already and you will start to forget or to have a memory loss, you'll become dead as well.
Yes, true.
Can you relate to the process, to the emotions, to the psychological process that I've been through? Wow. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, that through this iTerracare, it extended my life. Truly,
Yes!
I am
Woo!
grateful to God for using this as an answered prayer to me. I know some of you have been longing for an answered prayer.
Ooh.
And I am so blessed and thankful and grateful that this is my answered prayer. Before coming to know, yes, thank you, Sir Third, for reminding me. This is me. I was quite big because of the lifestyle that I had. This is my fifth day at the hospital during my third stroke. So I started already doing the rehab because I had my, added to this condition, I started also to have a focal seizure on my right body. So truly, I was a slave to my medical condition. Next, please. And this October 2022, so I have my third stroke, right? July 2022. October, I was diagnosed to have a hyperthyroidism. That's why I was thinking, why I am becoming thinner and thinner. So from 63 kilos, I went down to 47 kilos. So truly it gave birth to another condition, and never-ending condition. So it's not only my physical body that that is weakening. Also my emotions as a mom, emotions as a wife, emotion as a woman. Because I started thinking I am a burden to my family because of the medical expenses that I am using. Next, please. And thank you, Lord, because I have met iTera Care device. I started to have an amazing experience in my body.
Yes!
Whew, so powerful. I started to believe. Truly, there's power in belief. There's I, I believe in the great I am. I believe in the iTera Care because it's the feeling. It's the frequency. It's the energy that I am experiencing. And I can never deny that. I truly experience it. You have seen my previous picture, right? Compare it to this. It glows. The
Yes!
frequency glows. The energy glows. So be thankful of the person who invited you and always sharing you the good news because it is not an accident for me to know iTera Care device. Thank you, Lord, for this very, very much amazing opportunity. Next slide, please. After the slavery from sickness and meeting the iTera Care device, I have the freedom. The freedom from the slavery of sickness. The freedom from the slavery of depression, of anxiety. Wow, such an amazing journey with iTera Care. And I'm so grateful to the Lord, to the great I am, for extending my life to be with my spouse, for extending my life to be with my 3 children, for extending my life to be of service to the community. I am grateful to the Baluran couple, to the Grand Coach and Crown Ambassador for responding to be a blessing to me and to many people. I am so grateful to God for the Mandigma couple because I was the first recipient when they had the iTera Care device. Thank you for being so mindful of me. Thank you for sharing this blessing, this amazing blessing to me. Without it, I won't be standing here. Thank you, Professor Wenjun, for responding, for doing this amazing product. Thank you, Board of Directors, for everything that you do. Truly, there's power in belief. Thank you so much.